Motor on receipt. View of the driving end seen with broken shaft before dismantling. View of the broken shaft on the driving end, dismantling in progress. Rotor extraction in progress. View of the stator after the rotor is removed. Close-up view of the winding seen with excessive carbon dust contaminant. View of the connection end. Close-up view of the winding on the connection end seen with carbon dust contaminant. The main rotor. View of the broken shaft on the driving end. Close-up view of failed winding on the non-driving end. The main rotor cleaned and application of anti-tracking paint done. Insertion of Class H insulation slot liners done. Rewinding in progress. We use new winding copper bars insulated to Class H insulation. Shaping of the copper bars in progress. Shaping of top coils in progress. Insulating of copper bars after brazing in progress. View of the connection end, binding done, ready for varnishing. Rewinding of rotor in progress. Insertion of the bottom coils completed. Shaping coils done, ready for insertion of the top coils. Close-up view showing the shaped coils. Top coils inserted, shaping in progress. View of driving end after connection cups are fitted ready for trimming. Top and bottom winding trimmed and ready for MIG welding. View of non-driving end after connection cups are fitted and trimmed. Close-up view of non-connection end showing completion of insulation. Brazing completed on both ends and ready for insulation. Binding using isoglass tape completed ready for oven cure. The main rotor is varnished and ready for assembly. SKF bearing fitted. We do not use crude tools during the fitting process. Enough grease applied on the bearing. Motor tested, painted and ready for collection. Sprintex Engineering Services for qualified electric motor rewinding services and engineering works.